provinces on the distribution of their share dito sa Republic Act 7171. Ito yung tobacco sharing, no, sa buwis na kinokolekta ng gobyerno for their special projects in these areas. So, if you remember and recall yesterday, we amended the sharing. We put a cap na 2018 levels, 2018 yata 17 billion ang ibinigay dito sa mga probinsya na ito. Ang ginawa ni Senator Frank Dillon at pinush din ni Senator Recto, na dito sa 2018 levels ang cap, ang makuha ng gobyerno after the 18 billion cap or the 17 billion cap is already going directly to, the total amount will go directly to the Universal Healthcare Program. So, para sa Universal Healthcare yon. Pero may sharing kasi na nilagay, ang alma nila at alala nila, ang sharing sa local governments, which is the province and the cities and municipalities. Under the current setup, it is 90-10. 90 to the towns and municipalities and 10% to the province. Ang gusto ng DOF, gawing 50-50. Provincial projects, province-wide projects 50% and municipal-wide projects 50%. Siguro may mga kongresista na mga anak ay mayor or konsehal siguro, kaya sabi nila wag na nilang galawin yung sharing. Ang sabi naman ng DOF, hindi naman yata sila pumayag. Ang sabi ng DOF, kailangan magkaroon ng panibagong sharing. So I think there's a compromise that's achieved. So what we're going to do, there's a compromise between 90%, 10% and 50% and 50%, 50-50. Meron yata middle ground, baka mag 70-30 sila. 30% will go to the provinces and 70% will go to the municipalities. That was what I heard. Now, procedurally, this is what we will do. I already mentioned to all members, including the minority floor leader, Senator Frank Dillon, to the Senate President, to all the members of the majority, that we will have a reconsideration of approval of the syntax measure, open the period of amendments, i-amend namin dito ulit yung pinag-usapan ng DOF tsaka House, yung agreeable provisions, pasa namin ulit ng second and third reading this afternoon, tapos i-adapt na ng House. Hindi na kami papayag pa ng BICAM, wala nang panahon pa sa BICAM. Even if it's a paper BICAM, kailangan pa nilang pirmahan yung BICAM report, pirma pa dito, pirma doon. So we will just open, reconsider, approve again on second and third reading after the amendments, send it to the House for their adoption.
Isa na lang ang provision na i-amend.
Isa na lang.